Simba and I are heading out to DuPont Recreational Forest, and we're going to go check out the Wintergreen Falls Trail. So we'll see you over there. Hi, I'm Ash, and this is Simba, and we're Life on Paws and Wheels.
That's life on the road. This is life on Paws and Wheels.
I have made it out to the DuPont State Recreational Forest, and we're about to go check out the Wintergreen Falls Trail. We're excited to go see some more waterfalls. Aren't we, Simba? Yep. And let's go on in and check it out. We saw and we conquered. Simba did an awesome job on this hike. It's cool to see some more waterfalls here today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on Paws and Wheels.